In this video, we'll be talking about three different tail setups. The first we'll be talking about is the conventional tail rotor. The tail rotor is a smaller rotor mounted so that it rotates vertically or near vertical at the end of a tail of a traditional single rotor helicopter. This tail rotor's position and distance from the center of gravity allows it to develop thrust in the same direction as the main rotor's rotation to counter the torque created from the main rotor.
Another example of a tail rotor is the fenestron, which is a straddled tail rotor of a helicopter that is essentially a ducted fan. While conventional tail rotors typically have between 2 or 4 blades, fenestrons have between 8 and 18 blades. These may have variable angular spacing so that the noise is distributed over different frequencies and sounds quieter. The housing allows a higher rotational speed than a conventional rotor, allowing it to have smaller blades. Some of its advantages are increased safety for people on the ground, and this is why the fenestron is used by the Coast Guard and hospitals, and it is also less susceptible to foreign object damage. The higher ground clearance and the enclosure also makes it less likely to strike foreign objects or to suck in loose objects such as small rocks. It also greatly reduces noise and vibration due to the enclosure of the blade tips and the greater number of blades. It enhances anti-torque control efficiency, and it reduces power demand in forward flight.
The final helicopter tail that we'll be talking about is a NOTAR, or no-tail rotor. The NOTAR is a name for a helicopter anti-torque system which replaces the use of a tail rotor. A variable pitch fan is enclosed in the aircraft's fuselage section immediately forward of the tail boom and is driven by the main rotor's transmission. This fan forces low-pressure air through two slots on the right side of the tail boom, causing the downwash in the main rotor to hug the tail boom, producing lift and thus a measure of directional control. This is augmented by a direct jet thruster and vertical stabilizers. The benefits of a NOTAR system include increased safety and greatly reduces external noise. The NOTAR equipped helicopters are among the quietest certified helicopters in the world.